Welcome to this tutorial video, where I'm going to guide you on how to uninstall WordPress from hosting as cPanel in a simple, step-by-step process. By following these instructions, you can say goodbye to WordPress from hosting forever. So let's get cracking. After logging into hosting, you'll find yourself on the home page. Look for the hosting section with your hosting plan and click the Manage button. This will lead you to this page. In the left-hand menu, find the website section, click on it and find the Auto Installer option. Click on it, and you'll see the installed applications at the top of the page. Easy peasy, right? Now click on the three dots next to the domain of the WordPress installation you want to uninstall or delete. Finally, you'll see the Delete button. Click it with satisfaction. You'll now be greeted with a Delete Application pop-up. Here, you have the option to delete the application, installation files, and database. If you want to completely erase WordPress from your life, I recommend selecting all three options. This will ensure that no remnants of your previous WordPress install are left behind to haunt you. After all, you deserve a fresh start. Click Delete and watch as WordPress vanishes into thin air. To reinstall WordPress, select WordPress and enter your credentials for the new installation. It's that simple. You're now free to move on to bigger and better things. I hope you found this uninstall WordPress tutorial both helpful and entertaining. Please give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below if the tutorial was a smashing success or a total bust. Your feedback helps us improve our tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos, because let's be honest, who doesn't love a good tutorial?